Hi, what if I told you that I could teach you how to make the types of choices you need to make to increase your wealth? What if I told you I could teach you how to access ways to have better relationships, connect and collaborate, make effective business moves, increase your thinking and creative power through something that you already have? Well, guess what that is? It is your divine feminine. So I want to invite you to one of our webinars, specifically to talk about how I teach you how to do those things, but I do it in one of the most fabulous places in the world, Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. Now, you may say, why do I want to go with her to Dubai? What would make you want to go to the Middle East with me? Well, first of all, that's what the webinar is for you to get to know who I am. Who am I? I'm Jacqueline Brown, fondly known as Lulu, and I am the CEO and the founder of Revolution Ascension, LLC. We are a women's empowerment and leadership consulting and coaching firm, knowing the difference between coaching and consulting. And our main objective is for you to unlock the power that is deep within you so that you are soaring above and beyond what you could ever imagine. You may be extremely successful. You may have the salary, the house, the kids, the shoes and purses to match. But there's still a higher height. There's still a deeper depth to bring out so that you experience above and beyond what you could ever imagine or even think of. And for my faith-based sisters out there, that is the scripture. That God will do exceedingly, abundantly, above all that you could ever ask for or think. Now, can you imagine that? Not only that you could ask for, but you could even think. But there is something that we have to do. And we have to dig deep within, find our special key, and unlock that divine feminine power on the inside. Become spiritually aligned. And that's not woo woo woo. That is just the power that is within you. So that power at the essence and the core of who you are, that's what's leading your intellect. A lot of times, we don't even know what's leading our intellect. We're making decisions on a daily basis. We don't really know what is leading our intellect. But I assure you, when your divine feminine power is leading your intellect, your genius, your brilliance, which is what you have, you will see yourself in a whole nother dimension. So, you want to register for this webinar. It's a mini masterclass, but it's also going to give you all those juicy details about Dubai. So you don't have to go and figure out, and do I really want to go? Why should I go? It also is going to give you an opportunity to get to know who I am and to see how much fun it's going to be to go with me to Dubai in March of 2023. So click that link, register for the webinar, and jump on and experience Revolution Ascension, Divine Prosperous Living, the Lulu Experience. I'm Jacqueline Brown, fondly known as Lulu, and I will see you in the webinar. Bye for now.